Alright, we're going to go into the kayak today. So this was our roof deck of the van. We put the wine guard on a pivot system, lift up the solar panels, and it gives us attic storage. In this attic storage, we actually have 2 kayaks, paddles for 2, and also use little clothes or even tools as well. Getting down is a little trickier with it. Kayak. It only weighs like 33 pounds, so it's super light. This was an amazing view out to the beach from right where we stayed at last night. Between here and here is where the ferry run to connect to Baja, which probably can't see it. Maybe that little dust over there, I don't know. It would have been, I think, around 300 bucks. So I would have missed San Carlos, but would have saw Baja. Yeah, this is something I try to do it, pass up some trash. So these are TuckTec kayaks, based out of South Carolina. This was a one-take shot. Did not edit this or anything. This is just put the camera down, get ready to go out for the day. Just flip it out, lay it flat. Throw the foam off to the side. We'll need that in a second. Flip that in like a triangle, kind of like if you're making an origami crane, you do that little triangle. Make sure the fin's out. Then it's got these nice little carabiner locks that just have a pin in it. Well, they're not carabiners, but they're just little quick clasps. Put a pin in them and they nice and secure. So there's one for the tail and one for the nose. That's how quick that is. This is only at a speed of 155, so it's pretty real-time speed. These things are a little tricky. That clear plastic is actually bulletproof plastic. It acts as a lever that you flip it around to get that angle tight. And then you'll notice at the bottom is this little skid pad. So if you was to hit a rock or anything, it's to help ensure that those points are not a weak point. But yeah, that clear plastic just slides in those little black clips, holds it in place. This foam goes right over the top. The carry handles help lock it in. This not only adds buoyancy, but it also allows the single edge of the plastic to not be exposed, so you won't scratch your knuckles on plastic. The foam is very rigid, so if you do rub it, it can kind of carpet burn your skin, but unless you got to hit it hard to do that. The seats are super easy to put together. It has 3 different settings. I tend to like seat adjustment number 2. Told you this was first take. I hadn't used it in a little while, so I can't remember exactly how to fold. But that's all it is you just got to get it to the right setting. I put it on 2. It puts me a little lower there, makes me more stable since I'm not the most experienced kayaker. And then it just clips in to those handles. It's a very ergonomic design, very efficient. You only ever have to do this once if you ever want to do it. Just add silicone to the rivets. Those little plastic guides that I told you for extra security, or little rivet points, or riveting a couple plastics together, so this helps ensure that there will be no leaks. And that's all it is to it. You load up the gear and then put it in the water. Again, it only weighs 33 pounds, so it moves very easily. I have not done a lot of kayaking, so getting into one always makes me nervous. You see my little Elvis knee shake going on. So if you have any advice or whatever I need to do differently, drop a comment below. The paddles that come from TuckTec are adjustable for whatever reason you would adjust them. It holds pretty true when you're paddling. But before we get started, I need to take a selfie to send to Ray. Since she wasn't able to join me on it, that kind of brought us together. Didn't quite know where to put my phone at. Nowhere seemed safe, so I just put it back in the pocket. And I just want to check out, see kind of how clear the water was. I'm just going to take a dip, see what's under there. And as you see, we can't see very far. We can see our shadow. So we're just going to at least pretend it's our shadow. So that'll be the direction we go with that hole. Let's go check it out. This is going to some rabbits. Just want to check out underwater again. Not sure we'd see anything, but you never know. You want to check it out. You still can check out our shadow every time. That's about how fast I always paddle because I'm that strong. You see, I drop it. I don't baby it. I just treat it like anything else. Just use it. First things first, just unload your gear. Throw the foam to the side. And then I had to rinse the sand off my feet. Not exactly sure why I had to do that, but yeah, you just do those quick little bulletproof things, unclip them, unclip the clasp, roll it up. So you can shove that foam through if you want to. That way I've done it many a times, but it's just easier to unroll it and re-roll it. And then the carry strap, or the once you had it around your seat, locks it all in place. Then when your back strap is also your shoulder strap, carry it to the water just to rinse it off. And then we're going to go for a quick little swim. See if we can see anything under there. We saw this little crab. Apologies, our angle is off. I had that misjudged. Yeah, this was the beach we went, Tampano.
Alright. We got everything we brought in. We're going to head to the van to wash up, and then we're going to get on the road.
Didn't find Joy, but we found someone's keys.
Pallets to make a beach walk. It kind of make you wonder what's under the pallet. So a little snake hiding or something like that. The goal is to be quicker than the snake. So I can't conceal.
Since the kitchen sink is the only thing we have, we rinse feet off in there. And then once the salt out of our hair as well. Definitely come back and check out where we're going to. Subscribe, like, and give me some comments.
Pull my shorts up. I don't know why I'm wearing my long shorts, but I am. Well, they just got wet.